This one simple business model allows you to make money online with minimal effort, and you can make over $10,000 per month if you follow exactly what I lay out in this simple to follow video. Everyone on the internet is telling you to start drop shipping businesses, SMMAs, cold email marketing agencies, and so much more. But what if I told you that there was a far easier method that we could use AI for and doesn't require any capital to start? Let's dive into it. Okay, so there's 5 steps that we're going to deploy in order to do this strategy to make $10,000 or more per month with this simple AI side hustle. So step 1 is we need to pick a niche and location. Step 2 is we need to pick out an ideal prospect. Step 3 is we're going to create a mockup. This is very easy to do. Step 4 is we're going to send an email with their mockup, and step 5 is we're going to collect payment and set them up on a monthly service for an AI chatbot. So let me explain to you how exactly this works. Let's start with step 1. We're going to pick a niche and a location. Now, I highly recommend you pick niches that rely heavily on booking appointments. These can be things like skilled trades, things like plumbers, heating and air conditioning. Any type of home service is really good, but you can also do this for other things too. Things like massage therapists, chiropractors, salons, all those things book services as well. But I would say the higher ticket service you focus on, things that are more like plumbing, roofing, you have the potential to convince clients easier to sign up just because they're making more money. So let's just say we pick plumber in Davenport, Florida. So the niche is plumber, the location is Davenport, Florida. We're going to scroll down, and what we're going to do is we're going to locate the map pack, and we're going to click more businesses. And what we're looking for here is we want to click through and we want to start opening up these business owners' websites, and we want to see if they have a website. Some of them won't even have websites like this one. And these are good candidates as well if they don't have a website, because it means that they could use one. The ones that do have websites, we're going to open them up in a new window. Okay, so this one has a broken website, so that would be a good prospect as well. Let's open up this one. This one has a website, but they don't have a chatbot. And the chatbot will usually show up on the lower corner of the screen. Actually, they do have one. Let me show you what it looks like so that you know what to look for. Okay, so it's this right here. This is their chatbot. And what the chatbot's goal is it's to get someone to book an appointment. So I'm going to show you how to set one of these up very easily using AI. And because it's AI, the chatbot will automatically go to book the appointment. So the goal is to look for websites that either don't exist, or they have some kind of error like this, or they just don't have a chatbot on them. That's what you want to look for. Let me show you another one. If we can find a website that exists but doesn't have a chatbot, that would be a good example for you to kind of see the difference. Okay, so here's one that has a website. You know, it's an okay website, but they do not actually have that chatbot. Okay, so if we go back and look at our steps, we're going to want to build out a mockup. So we could build out a mockup for this one just because they have a website already, but also if you wanted, you could build out a mockup for one that didn't have one, or any of these that didn't. But just for the sake of this video, we'll build out one for this one just so that you can kind of see the process. Or I guess let's just do one that doesn't have one. So this everymaintain.com. So Maintain All LLC. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on to highlevelpages.com. We're going to click create new website. We're going to click from templates. We're going to hit continue. This allows you to get started without having any sort of web design experience at all. And you can see they have lots of plumbing examples that we can actually look at. And all we need to do is click the little preview button, and we can see what the website's going to look like. So this one looks good. We continue on it. It's going to add in our template. So what we would quickly do is we would quickly customize this stuff for the client that we're working with. So if it's maintainallllc.com, we would grab their phone number. So here it is, 407. We'd paste it in here somewhere so that their information is on the site. Let's say calls today for a free estimate. Okay, so just like that, we swap it out. It's as easy as typing an email. I don't want to spend a bunch of time on this just because you can see it is very, very straightforward. We could swap out a logo here, or just take this out and switch it out with text so that it said their name. And then basically we would save the changes. And what we can do is we can then actually preview this by clicking the little eyeball button at the top here. And we can send the preview link over to the client. So what we also might want to do to show them that we can stand out is activate the chatbot. And you do that under the chat widget settings in High Level Pages. By the way, I have a free workshop in the description of this video that will show you exactly how to land $5,000 clients. So your first $5,000 client, and I'll show you all the templates, everything you need to actually close the deal. It's in the first link of the description of this video. It's an urgent training I'm holding. Go check it out if you want more details and you want like the full breakdown of this. The other thing that we can do is we can turn on a chat widget for their website, coming under the website tab here under sites and going to chat widget right here. And all you need to do is click new, and we're going to click on one of these options. So you can do conversational AI by clicking select, and it'll ask what style you want. You can customize it all. So you can see all of it is totally customizable. And there's all kinds of different options in here that you can then go ahead and select like that. So go through here, set it all up, and then all you need to do is you can either click get code. So after you have the chat widget created in here and set up the way you want it, all you have to do is turn it on the website. And what you do is you navigate back to websites, you select your plumbing template website that we just set up. You're gonna click edit on there, go under settings, and then right here where it says chat widget, you're gonna select the chat widget that you just created to turn it on and hit save, and that's all you have to do. And from that point, the chat widget will be turned on. So if I refresh the website, you can see now the chat widget is showing up there. So now if we go back to our 5 steps here, we've done step 1, we've picked a niche and location, we've picked out an ideal prospect, we've created a mockup, and we've set up the conversational AI chatbot. Now all we need to do is send an email off to the prospect. So we would find an email for maintainallllc.com. You can look through some of their other websites here. They have a home advisor listing, they have a bizprofile.net. So go look through those other listings until you find an email address for them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to email over a mock-up of their website right here. Now, if you want, you can take this a step further and you can use a tool called Loom. I have it right here. It puts a little icon on your screen and allows you to do screen recording videos, kind of like I'm doing right here. And you could walk them through the mock-up of their website and explain the conversational AI chatbot to them, but you don't have to. You can just send a link to the mock-up to them. And from that point, all you have to do is explain to them how much you want for the website and to contact you back. You don't even have to give them a price necessarily. You could just say, if you like the website, please email me back or call me at this phone number and we can talk about the next steps. And then once you get on the phone with them, I recommend charging them at least $1,000 for the website and then charging them $500 a month to implement this AI chatbot. And from that point, you close the deal, collect the payment, and you have them set up on a recurring service that you get paid month after month for, and AI does all the work for you. All right, so to recap, number 1, we're gonna pick a niche and a location. Number 2, we're gonna look and find the ideal prospect that we can prospect to with this strategy, someone that doesn't have a great looking website and someone that doesn't implement conversational AI. Step number 3 is we're gonna create a quick mock-up of the website using high-level pages, and we're going to definitely focus on conversational AI and anchor our unique selling proposition to that, and we're going to point that out as we prospect to the client, which brings us to step 4 is we're going to send an email off to the client. You can even do something like a Loom video to really help solidify everything. And then step 5 is we're going to collect payment and set up a monthly service to continue using the AI chatbot. So start using these methods today if you want to build a profitable AI side hustle. And also, if you want more of a step-by-step guide, you should definitely check out the link in the description of the video. I'm holding an urgent free training where I'm going to show you how to secure $5,000 clients, and you'll even get the done for you templates that you need to actually secure the clients and fulfill them. So make sure to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, I am Paul James. Peace out.